Hello and welcome to our video about cat toothpaste. Did you know that just like humans, cats need to take care of their teeth too? In fact, 80% of cats show signs of oral disease by the age of 3. That's why it's important to incorporate toothbrushing into your cat's routine. Here are 5 reasons why your cat needs toothpaste. Prevents plaque and tartar buildup. Just like in humans, plaque and tartar buildup in cats can lead to gum disease and tooth loss. Freshens breath. No one likes bad breath, not even your cat. Brushing their teeth with toothpaste can help keep their breath smelling fresh. Supports overall health. Oral health is closely linked to overall health. By keeping your cat's teeth and gums healthy, you can help prevent other health problems. Makes vet visits easier. Regular brushing can help prevent oral disease, making it easier for your vet to examine your cat's mouth during checkups. Bonding time. Brushing your cat's teeth can be a great bonding experience for both you and your furry friend. So, how do you brush your cat's teeth? It's actually easier than you might think. First, choose a toothpaste specifically formulated for cats. Never use human toothpaste, as it can be harmful to cats. Next, start by getting your cat used to having their mouth and teeth touched. Offer them treats and slowly introduce a soft, bristled toothbrush. When you're ready to start brushing, lift your cat's lip and gently brush their teeth in a circular motion. Be patient and go slowly. And that's it. By incorporating toothbrushing into your cat's routine, you can help keep their teeth and gums healthy for years to come. Thanks for watching.